Hey fams, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new here. So today is going to be the second video for the Christmas in July series, and we are going to be decorating my fireplace. Now, the reason why I do Christmas in July is to give you some tips and some hacks for the upcoming season that maybe you can use in your decor as well. So I would love for you to watch this video from beginning to end if you are new here, and definitely hopefully you get some inspiration and some ideas as to how you can decorate on a budget while using high-end items in your decor for the upcoming Christmas season. I hope that you guys will enjoy the video and enjoy the music, and I will just jump back in here and there just to kind of give you guys some ideas as to where we are.
It was the night before Christmas. I was closing down for business.
So the garland that I'm putting up is actually the first level of garland. I'm actually going to be layering this garland and putting some more on it just so that it's full, because I love a full garland. And I love layers. I just love to layer everything. My mirrors are layered. My garlands are layered. I just love layers. I feel like it gives your decor some depth and, you know, just a quality. It just looks sophisticated and vibrant and full and lush. So I love to layer items. And so that's what I'm doing now. I'm just going to be layering the garland on top of each other. And these garlands, I got them from Walmart. The wreath I also got from Walmart. And I'm telling you, they have some amazing goodies. So when November comes around, or when the season comes around and they start putting out Christmas decor, well, I'll do a haul and shop with me and all that. But definitely go ahead. This last garland that I'm putting out, when I purchased it the first time, it was, I believe it was $12.99. When I purchased it last year, which is the video that you're watching from last year, it was $16.99. Not sure what it's going to be this year, because, you know, inflation. So it might go up $1 or $2. It might stay the same, or it might go down a little bit. I'm not sure, but it's worth it. It's definitely, even if it's $20, it's worth it, because the quality of this garland is so amazing, you guys. And I know people are out there spending, you know, $60 to $100 on garlands. And while that's okay, there's nothing wrong with that if you got that kind of coin. But I am not spending that on a garland. I am going to fluff up the garlands and I'm going to layer the garlands to make it look full. But I don't mind spending $20, you know, spending $20 or so on a garland that has the quality that I'm looking for and the longevity that I'm looking for. So here I am, and I have a few of these garlands, so I just cut some up in pieces and actually use them as picks or stems, and that's what I'm putting in the garland now to kind of fluff it up a little bit, you know, just to give it that full look.
In my little present shop, when the bell on the door jingled once more, and then time almost came to a stop. But somehow I knew, and maybe so did you, that everything would change from now on. Yes, from this Christmas.
So I'm showing you this book because I'm actually going to be putting the book underneath the garland, or kind of just, it's going to be hidden by the garland. And what I'm going to use it as is going to be acting as a pedestal. So I'm going to be putting the trees on top of it. That way it lifts it up and gives it height.
On this Christmas on, from this Christmas on. somehow we knew that we'd found something true. Everything would change from now on. Yes, from this Christmas on, this Christmas on, from this Christmas on, it's gonna be you and me decorating the tree from this Christmas on. From this Christmas on. From this Christmas on, it's gonna be you and me decorating the tree from this Christmas on, from this Christmas on. Here comes the jolly season again with the sleigh bells and choirs singing. But I hear no church bells ringing out for me. This year I've been nothing but good Santa Claus. I hope you're the same and put some big fat golden stars in your book for me. Tell me, Santa, it's Christmas all about love. In that case, can I have the one that I've been dreaming of? Tell me, Santa, it's Christmas about love. It's the only thing on my wish list that someone special to kiss. People of today need the latest stunt, even start to believe that someone. Can we please agree this is someone, you and me? And I think I've got more than enough just by walking around being me. And I'm sure Santa Claus can see and make you mine. Tell me, Santa, it's Christmas all about love. In that case, can I have the one that I've been dreaming of? Tell me, Santa, it's Christmas about love. It's the only thing on my wish list now. Tell me, Santa. Reindeer trotting through the snow. Guess who's leading the show? It's Rudolph with his nose on the globe. Tell me, Santa, it's Christmas all about love. In that case, can I have the one?
And this is the way that it looks, you guys. I am so in love with this mantle, and I really do feel like I'm going to do it again. I might probably change it up just a little bit, but I am definitely going to be replicating this same mantle this year. But again, it's going to be a little bit different because I'm going to add a lot more traditional touches to it, and it won't be as full. Well, maybe. I don't know. But we'll see when we get there. But I'm definitely going to be adding some reds to it and some more greens. That's Nyla in the background. And I love the way that it turned out. And I said it last year, and I'm going to say it again. Thus far, this is my favorite mantle that I have ever done for the Christmas holiday season. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below and let me know what you guys think. If you enjoyed this video, and if you are going to be incorporating anything like this in your decor for the Christmas season this year in 2024. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate your time. I appreciate you commenting, supporting, and everything. I cannot wait to talk with you guys again soon. Remember that Jesus is Lord. He loves you, and I love you too. Bye, guys.